Are you struggling to choose between GoHighLevel and HubSpot as your business's CRM? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear sense of which platform offers the features, pricing, and user experience that best fit your business goals, so you can move forward with confidence. Let's dive straight in. When it comes to CRMs, GoHighLevel and HubSpot are two giants with very distinct personalities. If your business is an agency eager for an all-in-one solution, GoHighLevel is like a Swiss Army knife, packed with features from marketing automation to sales funnels, and it's designed to help agencies manage clients and campaigns end-to-end. HubSpot, meanwhile, is famous for its user-friendly CRM, beloved by marketers and small business owners for its powerful inbound marketing tools. If you want something straightforward with advanced email, content, and analytics, HubSpot is probably already on your radar. Let's take a closer look at their features. GoHighLevel is built for versatility. You get marketing automation, webinar funnels, two-way SMS conversations, and social media integration. Think of it like having every tool you need within arm's reach, making it ideal if you want to streamline your workflow and avoid bouncing between platforms. HubSpot, on the other hand, focuses on clean interfaces and specialized tools. It delivers robust content management, sales pipeline management, customer service, and industry-leading email marketing analytics. If you appreciate things that just work, HubSpot can help make your daily tasks more efficient, though some features may require upgrading to higher-tier plans. Now, the pricing is a big factor for most of us. GoHighLevel starts at $97 a month, which is pretty budget-friendly considering its agency-centric toolset, and it goes up to $297 if you need unlimited functionality. If you're thinking about branding your own CRM experience, GoHighLevel's white label option is a sweet bonus, great if you want that polished, professional look. HubSpot's pricing model is a bit different, beginning with a generous free tier, then jumping to professional and enterprise plans starting at $800 or even higher per month. That's a significant jump, but HubSpot's extensive integrations and support may be worth it if your business is set to scale or if you rely heavily on third-party apps. User experience matters. GoHighLevel's interface is highly intuitive, meaning even team members with minimal tech savvy should feel comfortable quickly. It's designed to reduce the learning curve, get you up and running fast, and make campaign management a breeze. HubSpot, while just as thoughtfully designed, can require a little more upfront training before you unlock its full rhythm. But the payoff is a CRM that feels tight and consistent once you're familiar with it. Let's talk about customer support. GoHighLevel offers 24/7 support. If you ever run into a snag, help is just a chat or email away. HubSpot counters with a huge knowledge base, user community, and the HubSpot Academy, an amazing resource for self-paced training. If you're the type who likes figuring things out solo, you'll find plenty to explore. Integration capability is another key point. HubSpot is an integration powerhouse, connecting seamlessly to major tools for marketing, sales, and analytics. GoHighLevel, meanwhile, takes a more focused approach. It integrates best with the channels it's designed to manage, but doesn't offer the vast third-party support that HubSpot does. So if your business relies on a diverse tech stack, this difference could sway your decision. Finally, making an informed choice. I encourage you to start with a clear understanding of your business objectives, then use trial periods and live demos to try before you buy. Let the features and workflows speak for themselves, and don't hesitate to ask for feedback from your team. So to sum up, GoHighLevel and HubSpot both deliver powerful CRM solutions, but their true strengths lie in supporting different types of businesses. Choose GoHighLevel for agency-focused flexibility, or opt for HubSpot if inbound marketing and seamless integrations are top priorities. Whatever you decide, make sure your CRM supercharges your business's growth. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know your questions or experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns and practical business advice. See you in the next tutorial.